Is the psychedelic experience similar to the experience of beings in higher dimensions?
It can be. It depends upon the natural substance produced by your planet. The ones that exist naturally on your planet are for certain purposes of expanding your ability to see into other dimensions and recall those kinds of connections. You don't need them as often as many of you think. The idea is that once you have attained the frequency, once you are familiar with the frequency state, you can simply recreate that state at will. But they are guides sometimes that can help you find that state. The one that actually most naturally resonates with your biology and your brain is what you call dimethyltryptamine, which is DMT, which is produced by your pineal gland. And between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. in the morning, it produces the highest quantity that allows you to experience other dimensions and communications with other beings in higher planes. But again, the idea is that you produce it naturally. And once you have understood what the vibration of the state is, you can simply accelerate the production in your pineal gland by yourself.
Using my imagination? Just
Absolutely. All you have to do is recall the feeling of that state, and your pineal gland will follow suit.
It's difficult to recall. It's like a dream.
It is not difficult to recall if you do not believe that it is difficult to recall.
All right.
So why not allow yourself to believe that it is easy to recall so that you can actually have that experience of easy recall?
I'll try that.
You will what?
I'll try that.
You will what?
I'll do that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Remember, we are selectively deaf to vibrations that are not of our reality.
All right.